It is 9 o'clock. We actually slept in a little bit, needed it. Okay, I'm gonna get stuff going for tonight's get together. I'm gonna make some seafood tarts. I'm gonna do that mac and cheese. We've got a ham that Dan's gonna do out on the barbecue. Anyway, but I'm gonna get those tarts made right now, and yeah, I'll show you what I do. So the seafood that I'm going to use, I've got some lobster and I've got some bar clams. I'm going to dice it up. I'm going to saute a little bit of mushroom, and I'm going to add the seafood, add some cream, a little cornstarch to thicken it up, and after I give these tart shells a little pre-bake, I'm going to fill the shells, top them with a little bit of cheese and maybe a little garlic powder, and bake them, and that is it. Here's my gift. I'm going to wrap up for our Yankee gift swap later. I got this little white tree ornament, and I got this recipe book. Good mornings, 50 delicious recipes to kick your day off. Anyway, we had this at Modern Comfort, and I've been eyeing it and think it's beautiful. The illustrations are gorgeous. There's everything from smoothie recipes to donuts. A little bit of everything. Anyway, it's a beautiful cookbook, so hopefully whoever gets it will enjoy it. So I'll get that wrapped up and under the tree. is Saturday and it is 4 o'clock. Food is prepped, everything's ready. Got the house vacuumed, cleaned the bathrooms. Yeah, just everything's ready. Just waiting for everybody to show up around 5 o'clock. We have, I think, maybe close to 20 people coming. Yeah, so we're going to have a little happy hour with some rum and eggnogs, and we're going to have a nice big meal, and then we're going to do our Yankee gift swap and just hang out. And the stragglers, we always just end up playing cards all night and board games and just making the most of everybody together. So I did not have any time to knit today. I actually slept in till almost 8:30, which I mean was wonderful. We were home at a decent hour last night and got to bed early, but I think I just needed that little bit of extra sleep, and I'm so glad I did. So I have lots of energy and had it in me to get everything done that needed to be accomplished today. So yeah, I didn't knit at all. I'm going to just go finish doing a few more things that need to clean up the counters because it's just kind of a mess right now. But everybody's liking getting product ideas, so I'm going to keep going with that. And I want to share my latest fave that I've been using for a month, and I've actually noticed a bit of a difference. Well, I've definitely noticed a difference. It's the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. It's this eye cream that I use before bed. I read a lot of reviews. I was kind of on the hunt for more mature skin, just ready to change up my eye cream. I've used Biossance forever, and I still really like the Biossance for daytime. I think it's the squalane algae eye cream. Anyway, I still use that in the daytime, but I wanted something richer and maybe something to kind of help with fine lines. And yeah, so I read up on this quite a bit and found that a lot of people did actually see a difference. So I have been using it for a good month, and I'm noticing, yeah, it's helping. It's helping for sure. I have some sun damage. I mean, I'm 52. It is what it is. I don't want to, I don't know. As of this point in life, I don't want to do any Botox or any fillers, but I don't know. Never say never, I suppose. But this is working. It's made a difference. I've seen it smooth out the appearance of my under eyes, and I'm really enjoying it. I think it was pricier. I can't remember now. But anyway, if you're looking for an eye cream and you're kind of in my age group, I'm really enjoying this. So I wanted to share. And let's get into opening Advents. It's day 6. Day 6 is Twinkling Lights. It's so pretty outside. It just started to flurry. So kind of, it's pretty, setting the mood for a Christmas party. Got to get my Christmas music going. I have a playlist that I've been using for the past couple of years. I shared it on Vlogmas last year. I'll share it again because I know I do have some new viewers. But yeah, after I film this, I'll show you a really good playlist, and it's like 7 hours of continuous music, and it's a good one. It's on Spotify. So Twinkling Lights. It's this purpley, tonal, speckled. Turned out super pretty. So day 6, and then day 6 for my stationary Advent. It's a good thing I have been so busy because I would really like to tear this all open. Okay, what is this? Oh, little Christmas cards. It's a little Christmas card set. So there's this pink one. Okay, there's 2 of these. And an envelope. Oh, this is so pretty. Actually, I would frame this. The little pink house. Beautiful. Yeah, and it yeah, came with the envelopes as well. So there's day 6. So I'll take you along for an evening of my company and the food, the drinks, the games that we'll probably be definitely playing. And before I start all that, I'll show you this playlist that I have on Spotify. If you guys have Spotify, you might like to have this for your holidays. And it's called the Holly Jolly Playlist Volume 3. And this is what it looks like. Hopefully that's showing up. Keep tilting it just so you can see it. I'm really stuffed up again today. I cannot get rid of this cold. And everybody that I've talked to that's had this cold is the same. Like, we just can't kick it. I'm not like sick. I don't need to go to bed and recover. It's just kind of hanging on. It's driving me crazy. So sorry, I'm like super nasally. So anyway, there's a playlist if you needed a good one, and it is, yeah, it's 7 hours and 38 minutes. So it's something that I can just pop on, leave, and let play throughout the evening until my son decides that either Goose or Metallica is to be played. Anyway, happy Saturday, everybody. We will, I'll see you throughout the evening, and we'll catch up and recap tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. feel